Shagwan Yaxing Precision Cutting Tools Co., Ltd. is committed to the research and development of cutting tools manufacturing and sales. The company's own plant covers an area of more than 5,000 square meters, with a number of advanced production and testing equipment imported from Germany. Also has professional and technical personnel. The company mainly produces precision growth cutting blades, precision internal and external lathe blades, all kinds of growth machining blades, internal growths, external growths and growths, etc. Thread knives, customized blades and CNC toolbar precision tools, which are recognized by the majority of users with exquisite appearance and excellent quality. With excellent quality, the company's products. We will adhere to the spirit of forging ahead and innovation, aiming to create more cost-effective inserts to products. Yunli-cathy tool professionals of cost saving for you.